Good morning, guys. In front of me is TECNO Spark 20C, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone gallery, and now here we will be providing the codes. The first one is *#06#, and this one will provide you with IMEI numbers and serial number assigned to your device. Tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use is *##, 225, ###. And as you can see here, you will be able to see all upcoming events, all events that are stored in calendars that are connected with your device. So this is it. Let me go back. And another code that you can use is *##, 426, #**. And as you can see here, we've got FCM diagnostic mode in which you can check events and status. And if you want to explore it a bit more, click on more icon and select advanced view. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.